What we have right here is the Model Y Juniper right here. This is a beautiful, modern, very classic, high-tech vehicle that has updated sound, updated suspension, updated exterior. Look at that rear light bar, it's beautiful, beautiful. But it's missing one thing. And the one thing that is missing is what I have in my hand right here. This is the wireless charger from MagBak. You stick it on your screen just like that. So with this MagBak charger, you don't have to fidget with this charger right here. This is the Tesla charger. It's nice, but at this location, it's hard to see your phone. You can't even unlock because the Face ID, you have to go like this. Whereas when you use the MagBak wireless charger, it will be right here and you can easily face unlock. It's at the perfect height so that you can glance at it. If you look at it for like a quick message or whatever you need, at a quick glance you can see instead of having to glance down here. Very inconvenient. So I always have these MagBak wireless charger on all my Tesla, and super easy. Let's install it right now. The way it works is that they have adhesive on it. There's an extra one here and there's one that's already pre-installed on it, and the installation is very easy and super clean too. So the way you install it is you want to make sure you clean the back of your screen, just this corner edge, because that's where this sticks. And this is perfectly molded for the new Model Y Juniper, the modern refresh version, and it fits like a glove. You see how this is molded perfectly? They do include the wipes here, so you can use this wipe to clean the back. If it's dusty, clean it, let it dry, and then stick this on just like this. So peel it off and then find that perfect alignment just like that. It'll fit in just like a glove, like so, and push in. Hold it for about maybe 30 seconds, let the adhesive stick, and then you're good. You are installed. Just like that, it's installed. And this cable, so you want to go ahead and nest the cables in here, and this cable ends with a USB-C, and they do include the extension USB-C cable here. So this extension cable is nice because you can now connect this to multiple locations in your Model Y. You have a USB-C port right here, you can connect that right here. You also have two USB-C port behind on the rear screen underneath here. So for example, I can connect this over here, and you see how this angle makes it very convenient to fit on this USB port right there, connect it right there, and now you have power on this wireless charger. So this one is perfect height for your phone. It works with MagSafe, so just put your phone on just like that and you have wireless charging like that. Super simple. Also, this location is perfect height for Face ID unlocking. You can swipe up like that and unlock the phone just like that, and it's also perfect height for at a glance use. Super easy. This is the MagBak wireless charger. It fits the aesthetic of the Model Y really well, and this design here is specifically designed for the Model Y Juniper, the updated refresh Model Y, with the front that looks like that and the rear that looks like that. This is the MagBak wireless charger. These things are awesome. Oh yeah.